这台轮椅就是轮胎已经坏了，你看着外表看出来看不出来，但是它已经老化了嘛，哎，马上要掉下来了，就是它已经不能用了，所以拿过来要换一个轮胎。
In Changzhou, Jiangsu, there's a remarkable individual known as the wheelchair repairman. He has spent the past 16 years providing free wheelchair repairs for the disabled, despite being leg disabled since the age of 1 due to polio. A 17-square-meter room filled with various tools, parts and wheelchairs awaiting repair serves as Chen Zhijian's wheelchair repair workshop. In addition to his workshop, Chen Zhijian often makes house calls to fix wheelchairs for the elderly and other disabled friends.
接触的残疾人可能比较多，我就是想，是不是能够在服务上能够再帮残疾人多做一点事情，因为我从小到大也是一直有很多人帮助过我，我想来想去，然后找了一些人问了一下，想想还是帮残疾人修轮椅。
Empathizing with their struggles, Chen Zhijian became a wheelchair repairman. His kindness attracted many to join his cause, offering free wheelchair repairs to the disabled. Chen Zhijian's repair team has now expanded to 13 members. Last year, Chen Zhijian and his wheelchair repairman team repaired 250 wheelchairs for free across the city.